Using AI, you can edit your photos in a Lightroom Classic or a Lightroom CC in just one click, and it's super simple. I'm just gonna show in this short tutorial how you can do this. So for one image, this one, let's say, I don't have to do anything. I just have to click one click. I mean, you have to do something, which is one click, and you click on auto here, and voila. Now for another image, voila. Another image, voila. Just one click. Now, because of course we want to apply this effect to all our images, we're gonna have to select them. So I'm gonna hold shift and select the last image, and then I'm gonna go to sync. I'm gonna click on this right here. Then here, if I go to basic, I have contrast and then tone here, and I can click on auto, which will add this effect to all the images. As you can see, you can even like add exposure. It's going to add exposure to all the images. This is not going to also to add the auto effect. This is also going to add any effect to all the images. So yeah, you want to edit all the images at the same time, you can do this. You see, it's actually changing for all the images. Click on auto here, it's changing for all the images. So this can you can add this effect to 10,000 of images at the same time. Very, very cool. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more if you learned something, and like this video. Thank you.